Patio doors. Ferndale is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With a variety of patio door styles available, including sliding glass doors and French doors, residents can choose the perfect fit for their homes. Patio door experts in Ferndale offer comprehensive patio door services, ensuring a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient patio doors. Ferndale are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed with advanced materials and weatherproofing techniques to keep homes comfortable year-round. Patio door contractors in Ferndale provide detailed patio door quotes to help homeowners make informed decisions. Custom patio doors. Ferndale offer a unique opportunity for personalization. Homeowners can select from a range of patio door materials and patio door hardware to create a door that complements their home's aesthetic. Patio door companies in Ferndale specialize in crafting bespoke solutions that meet individual needs. Patio door repair in Ferndale is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Common issues such as damaged patio door screens, faulty patio door locks, and broken patio door glass can be efficiently addressed by skilled professionals. Regular patio door maintenance in Ferndale ensures longevity and optimal performance. Patio door replacement in Ferndale is a service that many homeowners require to update their homes. Whether it's due to wear and tear or a desire for a new look, patio door contractors in Ferndale provide expert guidance and installation. Patio door cost in Ferndale varies based on the style and materials chosen. Patio door weatherproofing in Ferndale is vital for protecting your home from the elements. Proper weatherproofing ensures that your patio doors remain energy efficient and durable. Patio door frames in Ferndale are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, providing peace of mind to homeowners. Sliding glass doors in Ferndale are a popular choice for their ease of use and aesthetic appeal. These doors offer a modern look and are available in various patio door brands. Patio door companies in Ferndale provide a wide selection of sliding glass doors to meet diverse preferences. French doors. Ferndale add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. Known for their classic design, these doors are available in numerous styles and finishes. Patio doors. Ferndale experts can assist in selecting the perfect French doors to enhance your home's charm. Patio door hardware in Ferndale is an important consideration for both functionality and security. High-quality hardware ensures smooth operation and enhances the overall appearance of your doors. Patio door services in Ferndale include a range of hardware options to suit every need.